Hey everybody, this is John Regan. Today I want to show you how to use Heavy Job Field Workstation. We're going to go through a couple of different setup tasks that we need to do. First of all, we're going to open Heavy Job. You should have an icon that looks like this. Guy with the blue hard hat on. Just go ahead and double click to launch that. And you'll see the software open up. The first time you run Heavy Job, you're going to get a demo job that's going to be what you have to open, so that's fine, just open that. And then you'll see Heavy Job window opens here. The first thing you always want to do is to retrieve files. That's anything we've sent from the office is going to come to you. So the first thing you do is come up here to where it says retrieve files. And if this is the first time you've used Heavy Job, when you do retrieve files, it's going to give you an error, and I'm going to walk you through how to fix that. But if you click retrieve files, you always want to do internet. We're not using email or other, so you click on internet. And if you get this error, that there was an error with the HTP site, we're going to fix that right now. If you don't have this problem, you can close this video and go to the next one. Alright, so we've got that error. What we're going to do now is we're going to go fix that. And so we're going to come into Utilities up here. We're going to come over to Preferences, and we're going to go down to Internet Preferences right here. And when we click that, it's going to open our Internet options here. And what we're going to do is we're going to change it to HTP. And when we click it, it kind of blinks and these options change here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure our setup works. And so we're going to come over here and we're going to start the HTTP, and then we're going to leave some of this stuff alone. But right now it says start HTTP. If you haven't started it yet, it's going to look like this. And all you have to do is click start. And when it changes from start to disable and all these become clickable, you're ready to go. So this is how it should look when you're done. Disable HTTP is actually what the button should say. That means it's running, and if you click it, it'll turn it off. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here and click Test Connections. Now you got to make sure you've got internet connection while you're out there in the field. So if you got your MiFi or if you got Wi-Fi at a hotel or a restaurant or something, you can make sure you're connected. So you click Test, and it says your connection is valid, so that's good. And then we click Test down here. And what we want to make sure is that all of these things turn green when they're done. Now that they're all green, we're good and we can move on to the next thing. So that's the first part, is making sure that you can connect to the internet and get all of the files that we're going to send you. All right, next video coming up.